Late last year, Michigan-based Grede LLC told workers at its 50-year-old foundry in Brewton, Alabama, that the company planned to shutter all manufacturing operations by the end of 2025. On April 1st, the company issued a warn notice with the state that says the wind down will begin on May 22, 2025, and some 160 employees will be affected. But it turns out that many more will be out of work. According to AL.com, the Brewton facility has 130 hourly employees, 30 on salary, and some 60 third-party contractors repped by the United Steelworkers Union. So, in total, about 220 workers will be out of a job. The plant makes highly engineered iron castings, and Grede will transfer the work to other locations by mid-year. The company has 8 other locations, primarily in the Midwest, including 3 in Wisconsin. Grede makes safety-critical components like large axle housings and chassis and drivetrain components used in the industrial machinery, automotive, and commercial truck markets. In a statement to AL.com, the company says its primary markets haven't rebounded to pre-COVID volumes, which has opened up capacity across its U.S. foundries. Employees will receive a severance package and have been offered a chance to relocate to other plants. The company could repurpose the facility, potentially converting it into a warehouse or an R&D center. The Brewton foundry was built in 1975. Operations started the following year. At one point, Grede operated 4 facilities in Alabama. The one in Brewton was the final one. I'm David Manti. This is Manufacturing Now.